Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are doing good. Students, we are in the chapter measurements and we have learned how to measure length, how to measure capacity and how to measure weight. But in today's class, we are going to add and subtract meters and centimeters. Okay, so let's start. Learning to work with metric units of measure, adding and subtracting measure of length. We use meters and centimeters to measure length, and we add centimeters with centimeters and meters with meters, and we subtract centimeters from centimeters and meters from meters. Let's do it now. Here we have to add centimeters and meters. So 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. This is the addition of meters and centimeters. Now we'll do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is the subtraction of meters from meters and centimeters from centimeters. Let's do one more problem here. 5 plus 5 is 10. So write 0 and take 1 as carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And here 5 plus 2 is 7. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. This is the addition of meters with meters and centimeters with centimeters. Now we'll do the subtraction. 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So we have to borrow 110 from here. So this 0 will become 10 and this 8 will become 7. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. This is the subtraction. Now let's add and subtract measures of weight, that is kilograms and grams. We add grams with grams and kilograms with kilograms, and we subtract grams from grams and kilograms from kilograms. Let's do it. This is the addition of grams with grams. 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is the addition of kilograms with kilograms and grams with grams. Let's do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 2 cannot be subtracted from 0. So borrow 110 from here. This 0 will become 10 and this 4 will become 3. 10 minus 2 is 8 and 3 minus 1 is 2. Here in kilograms, 9 minus 5 is 4. 7 minus 6 is 1. This is the subtraction. Here we have to add grams with grams. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now subtraction. 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So, but this side also we have 0. Again we have to take one borrow from this 3. So this 3 will become 2 and the 0 will become 10. Again we have to borrow 110 from this number. So this 0 will become 10 now and this 10 will become 9. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here we have 9. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Here also 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So take one borrow. This 0 will become 10 and this 7 will become 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Adding and subtracting measures of capacity. And 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. We add liters to liters and milliliters to milliliters. And we subtract liters from liters and milliliters from milliliters. Let's do one problem here. First we have to add this milliliters. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. And here liters to liters we have to add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's do the subtraction now. First we have to subtract milliliters from milliliters. 0 minus 0 is 0 only. 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. So borrow 110 from here. This 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. And here 5 minus 5 is 0 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So similarly students, do this addition and this subtraction. You have to subtract milliliters from milliliters and liters from liters. And you have to add milliliters with milliliters and you have to add liters to liters. So thank you students. Be ready for the next class.